gear 3. And also I will include the timer in order to test how many seconds it can reach the maximum speed. And also in this video, I'm gonna answer the questions why Blade GT don't have the single motor option. So if you are new in this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated for my upcoming videos. Okay guys, so now I'm here in the place where I will do the maximum speed test of my Blade GT. So as you can see, this is the place. This is a short range only. So this is my Blade GT. Okay, so I will show you now the settings of my Blade GT first. So as you can see, the battery voltage is 64.7 and my settings is, okay, let's go to the P settings. So P1, so check. P2, P3 is 60 volts, P4, P5, P6 is 11 inch, motor magnet is 30, speed is 100, okay, 11, 12, torque power is 5, that is the maximum torque, and then 13, 14, 20, 15 is battery cut off, 48 volts, and this is the total mileage, 17, 18. So okay, so that is the speed settings of my Blade GT for now. So now I will share to you what is the reason why Ian Motors didn't make the single motor option. So the main reason is if you ride uphill, so there are possibility that the controller will be broken or will be damaged, because I think the reason why is Blade GT is much heavier compared to Blade 10. So that is the main reason why they didn't make the single motor option for Blade GT. That's why they make only the dual motor option. Hello guys, so now let's try the maximum speed in gear 1 of Blade GT. Okay, so the maximum speed is 23 kilometers per hour with a battery voltage of 63 volts. Okay, so that is the maximum speed of gear 1 of Blade GT. Guys, so now let's try the gear 2 of my Blade GT. So as you can see, I will show you gear 2 with a battery voltage of 63.9. Okay guys, so now let's test the maximum speed in gear 2. Okay guys, so as you can see in the display, 63, that is the maximum speed in display. 64, that is the maximum speed in display of my Blade GT. Okay guys, woohoo! Hello guys, for the second time around I will try the maximum speed in gear 2 of Blade GT. Okay guys, so let's do this. Now let's try the maximum speed in gear 3 of my Blade GT. Okay guys, let's do this. Hello, hello. Okay guys, for the second time around, I will try the maximum speed test of my Blade GT. Okay guys, so let's do this. So let's do this. Therefore conclude that the maximum speed test of Blade GT is 85 kilometers per hour. So based on manual, that is accurate, 85 kilometers per hour. So based on my observation, this is one of the best upgrade of Ion Motors because very smooth guys. I can feel the power, the speed of this electric scooter. Although the Blade GT, if you would compare to Blade 10, it has less torque power, maybe because the tire is big, but honestly guys, so smooth when you ride. You will feel the speed of this electric scooter. So as you can see, when I try, I make 85 kilometers per hour without wobble at all. So honestly guys, this is one of the best upgrade by Ion Motors. So based on my observation, the gear 1 is the eco mode of this electric scooter. So when I try this in a maximum speed, it can reach only 23 kilometers per hour. So I think that is the eco mode for this. And when you do the gear 3, that is the turbo. And that's all for today. So I hope you like my video. So if you like my video, please subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated for my upcoming videos.